Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch viewers. A few of you guys requested that I do more jailbreak videos, and Electra jailbreak was actually just released last night. So who is this for? This basically, as you can see right here, works on all iPhones, iPod Touch, and iPads. And it's compatible with iOS 11.2 to 11.3.1. So if you're on one of those and you want a jailbreak, listen up. So this is basically the first version of Electra that just got released. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it's buggy. So if I were you, unless you have like 2 hours to try to jailbreak your phone, I recommend holding off until this is updated. But it's not gonna brick your phone or anything, more than likely. It's just very tedious and time consuming because it doesn't work most of the time. If you have a dev account, you'll click here, but pretty much everyone's gonna click here to download the non-dev account version of this. So as you can see, they use two different exploits here, but they both pretty much work the same. If for some reason this doesn't work, there is a mirror on Mega, so that's that. And then here are change logs to the previous version. This is basically version 1.0.1, but again, it's pretty buggy right now, so I would wait for another version. So go to this website, bookmark it, and just wait a little bit. I mean, you can go for it, but again, it's gonna be a little time consuming. Here's the information you're gonna need to do this, and here are some credits, and then of course a disclaimer. So very simple website here, you guys can go download this. So to actually do the jailbreak, first what you're gonna wanna do is download Electra, and then also download Cydia Impactor if you don't have it already. Once you have those two things, plug your iPhone into your computer, open up Cydia Impactor. If you don't know how to use Cydia Impactor, there's plenty of tutorials, it's very easy. So open it up, plug your iPhone in, make sure it recognizes it, drag the Electra file onto the Cydia Impactor, hit start, and it will install Electra onto your iPhone. Then once you're done with that, unplug your phone from your computer, put your phone into airplane mode. Then once it's back up, make sure it's still in airplane mode, open up the Electra app and hit jailbreak. Now there's two different buttons you're gonna have to press. So the first round, you're gonna want that to go through. It's gonna put Cydia onto your phone. Then once it comes back up, you're gonna try to click on Cydia. It's not gonna open because you have to enable Cydia. So then what you're gonna do is go back into the Electra app, hit the little button again, and it's going to go through 3 different steps. And this is where it normally crashes, and you'll just have to keep doing it over and over and over until it works. That's why I'm saying hold off for now. I would make a video on this, but I really don't want a bunch of you guys trying this and then complaining in the comments like, oh, it doesn't work. It does work, but it takes forever. It's really almost not worth the time right now. I would just wait for another version to come out that fixes it, or at least makes it a little bit more stable. Once you actually get it running, there's only a few tweaks that will actually work with it. So I'm gonna make a video going over all of those. So if you guys actually do get this to successfully work, you guys will know which tweaks you can actually install on your phone that are compatible with iOS 11. So that's all I got for this video, guys. Hopefully it helped you guys. If you guys want me to make a video update when this does get updated, let me know. But if I were you, I would just keep refreshing this page maybe once a day, twice a day, and just see for when they release a new version that's hopefully a little bit easier to use and quicker, so you don't have to sit there and keep watching your phone crash every 5 minutes. So that's all I got for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know when we drop our tweaks video. I should be filming that very soon and uploading that as well because I know you guys are gonna want that. That's all I got for this video, guys. Thumbs up, subscribe, peace.